Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming in from Bemis Crafty Corner. And as requested, here we are with the What's Left After the Sale. Okay, so we're going to start with one. This is from Echo Park. It's a flower kit. You make this, it's called Petals. And you make this flower that's 13 inches in diameter. Some big petals in there. And that is lot number 4. Lot number 4 for that one, and it's $2. Lot number 4, $2. Okay. Let's see what we have next. All right, next up we have this. This is vintage contact paper. It is 12 inches by 18 inches. So you have about 12 to 13 inches this way, and then there's an 18-inch roll. And I rolled these the opposite direction from the original, because they originally rolled on the 12-inch side. Now they're rolled on the 18-inch side, so that they're easier to work with when you get them, okay? So this is a vintage contact paper, lot number 5, and these are $1, okay? All right, next up we have these envelopes. Let me get this out so I can get one out of here. These are, like tithing envelopes, like donation envelopes. See the flaps? See how big the flaps are? But they're not printed, so they're blanks, okay? So these are tithing envelopes. And they are, let's see, this is, they are 10 count. They are lot number 19, and they're $2 per lot. Okay. Next, we have pipettes. These are plastic pipettes. You get 5 in a package for $1. 5 for $1. This is lot number 6, and they're $1. Next, I have lot number 22. That is spare parts from the Paper Studio. $2 for these. Lot number 22 for $2. And these are bottle cap embellishments. They are mustaches. Okay? Alright, next we have these teeny tiny little popsicle sticks. There's 25 in a package. You can see. They are just at 1/4 of an inch wide and just a hair under 2 1/4 inches long, and you get 25 of these in a pack. This is let's see, tiny popsicle sticks, lot number 8, and we're doing these for $1. All right, and then we have this little mini scrapbook. Ain't it cute? Yeah. It's a 6 by 6 inch. It's cardstock pages, cardstock cover. It's really simple. It's a little happy birthday album kit. And we're doing this one for, oh, let's see. I don't see it. Where is it? Let's do this one for, tell you what, let's just get it gone. Let's call this lot number 1, and, you know, $1. $1. And then there's this Celebration Combination Pack. It's Creative Memories Collection. So it comes with a sheet of printed photo mounting paper, and which is 10 by 12 inches. And then you get 7 sticker strips, 2 die cut shapes, and 2 die cut words. So you get all of this stuff. See, all of that. And this one, Creative Memories, is lot number 11, and it's $2. $2. Lot number 11, $2. All right, so that's it on part 1. I'll be back with part 2. Okay, so for the second part, we have some fabric. These are squares that are approximately 5 by 5 inch squares. These are all black and white. We're going to call those A for $1. And then we have this piece of paisley. It's a fat quarter, but might be a little small. So this is a yellow and orange paisley on a black background. So we're gonna do that for $1 too. So A and B, they're $1 each. The black and white fabric is all different as you go through. So A is the black and white, and B is the black with orange and yellow paisley. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to hit the camera. I hit the desk all the time, you know? Just makes a mess. Alright. Next. We're going to do the $3. This is upholstery. That's going to be C. D is this Asian themed satin. It's a heavy satin. We're going to call that one D. And E is the only character I have left, Maleficent. That's going to be E. These are $3 a piece. So C is the red triangles. D is the red satin. And E is Maleficent. Okay. Get those in the box. All right. Next. These are the $2 fat quarters. I'm blowing them out. Okay. F is this cute little owl. G is this fabric here. This is Heidi Swapp. And that's G. H is this pink and purple flower motif on a dark blue background. And I is this sort of Italian travel pattern. That's going to be I. Okay? So again, these are $2. F is the owls. G is the Heidi Swapp. H is the blue with pink and purple florals. I is the Italian travel piece. Okay. Okay, here we go. We have a couple, you know, we got some. So, we're just going to work our way through them. All right, J is this globe pattern, kind of an off-white. J. K is the last sunflower. L is the black candy cane. Again, these are $2. Okay. J is the compass rose here, the map. K is the sunflowers. And L is the candy canes. All right. M. Coffee. These are different colored coffee cups and different styles of coffee cups. That's M. N is going to be this Venetian vine rose. It's grapevines. N. O is this Christmas buttons. And let's see, what else? P is this apple. Okay? So again, these are $2. M for the coffee. N for the grapes. O for the holiday buttons. And P is the apples. Okay? I'm going to put some rubber bands on these so they don't get away. And the only other thing that we have in the fabric department is this, which is a let me get this over here. It's a 4-inch fringe. You can cut it to any size that you want. You could, of course, do it double if that, is your thing. $2 a yard on the fringe. And this is lot number, let's see. Lot number 14. Lot number 14. And it is the black fringe by the yard. It's $2 a yard. Okay? Okay. So that's it for that part. I'll be back with part 3. All right, this is part 3. And part 3 is all about these. So I have some journals that were commissioned work. I took the deposits on them. I started them. I completed them. And then the people that ordered them didn't want to pay the rest of the money for them. So I have them. Non-refundable deposits. So I need the balance due. So here's the deal. This one is called Celestial. It is lot number 33. And what is due on this book is $20. Okay? 2 signatures. The next one is this one. This one is called Boardwalk. Obviously, it's fishy. It's vintage beach. Okay, with book corners, lace, single signature. This is a large single signature in this one. Painted cover with fabric binding, and the binding on this one is semi-hidden because it's underneath. And this one is $20 owed on this one. I believe this is painted wallpaper on this cover. Okay, so $20 on that one. The next one is this one. This one is Alice in Wonderland book corners, painted, and then this is stenciled with paste and paint, and then the green is just flat painted. But this is an Alice in Wonderland journal. Fabric inside. Beautiful lace on this one. Even has pom-poms. 2 big fat signatures on this one. Lots of tucks and things like that. And this one has a balance due of $32. So if you're interested in this one, it's $32. Lot number 35. Lot number 36 is this one. And I'm pretty sure that I did this one in a live. And it was partially paid for. And then they decided they didn't want it. So this one is fabric on the outside and fabric on the inside. 2 signatures, no lace in this one. Just lots of journaling spots and things, and lots of cards and tags and things like that in this one. Very much a writer's journal, as opposed to, you know, all gussied up. Now we have to make the perfect bow again. There we go. And this one is called Dress Up, and $20 is owed on it. So $20 on this one. Okay. And what's the last one? Okay. And I think I did this one live as well. Somebody put a down payment on it and they decided they didn't want it. So this one is called Travel. 3 signatures. Again, lots of writing space in this. Okay. And, you know, it's all about traveling and things like that. See, like full pages of writing. Just writing space. Can you believe it? So that is that one, and what is due on this one is $22. $22 is owed on this one. So if you are interested, this is lot number 37. Get this one back in the bag, because for some reason this one isn't tied. I'll have to tie it. All right, so that is the end of part 3, and that is everything that was left from the sale. So if you are interested in any of these items, you can put what you're interested in the description box below, and I will get back to you if it is still available, okay? That's it. That's all I have. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.